In this question, you have to identify the phylum that includes bilaterally symmetrical and acoelomate animals. Bilaterally symmetry means the body can be divided into two equal halves along a single plane. An acoelomate animal means that those animals that lack a body cavity, that is coelom, between the body wall and the digestive tract. Now let's evaluate each option. Option A, Ascalminthus. This is incorrect as these animals are pseudocoelomates. That is, they have a false coelom and not acoelomates. Option B, Annelida. Now, this is also incorrect because annelids are coelomates. That is, they have a true coelom. Option C, Ctenophora. Now, ctenophores have radial symmetry and not bilaterally symmetrical, and they are not acoelomates. So, this is also incorrect. Option D, Platyhelminthes. Now, Platyhelminthes, that is the flatworms, are bilaterally symmetrical as well as acoelomate. So, this is the correct option.